Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Fidelity Investments account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Fidelity Investments account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Fidelity Investments Sign Up and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on first link shown on the page. Scroll down and choose an account to sign up for your Fidelity's account. On the next page, choose whether you are a Fidelity user or not. If yes, tap on yes, or else click on no. Enter your first and last name, your social security number, your date of birth, country of citizenship, your phone number, email address, resident, state, zip code, and tap on next. Follow the prompts till the end, and that's how you'll be able to sign up for your Fidelity's investments account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.